Hi friends, welcome to Durgasoft. Sir, in this video, I want to talk very important point. What is the difference between access specifiers and modifiers in Java? A bit rare to ask this question, but clarity must be required for you people, right? Okay, especially the people who are coming from Java background. Okay, the people who are coming from C or C++ background. Do you know their public, private, protected, default, such type of terminology is by default considered access specifiers. Okay, like in other languages, like if you are having any such type of terminology, public, private, protected, default, such type of words are by default considered as access specifiers. Next, final, static, synchronized, these type of terminology is by default considered as access modifiers. Remember this one, sir. So, public, private, protected, default, these things are called access specifiers. Final, static, synchronized, abstract, these kind of things are called access modifiers. Like this is most of the people are going to feel. Of course, the people who are coming from C background, C++ background, they're always going to assume like this, right? But strictly speaking, okay, strictly speaking, there is no word like access specifier in Java. Remember this one, sir. There is no word like access specifier in Java. In Java, all are by default considered as modifiers only. Okay, remember that. So, in strictly speaking, we never want to use the word access specifier. Even orally we may use, but in Java, strictly speaking, there is no word like access specifier. All modifiers, whatever we have, public, private, protected, default, final, static, synchronized, everything is by default considered modifier only. Okay, so clear indication, right? Sir, where is the practical proof? How you can conclude? Yes, only modifier is there, but not specifier. Very simple, sir. Have a look once. I'm trying to take one small example here. Just this here. I have one class test is there, sir. Forget about all. I have one class test is there. I'm taking class as the public. Yes, perfect. This one is acceptable because top level class happily we can declare as the public, no problem at all. Now let me compile. Yes, the code is going to compile itself is acceptable. Okay, like now I'm taking private, sir. Top level class cannot be declared as a private. Top level class cannot be declared as a private. So now if I'm trying to declare as a private, what will happen? Have a look once. What the answer we are going to get? Immediately error we are getting modifier private not allowed here. So now my doubt here is very important, sir. So private is considered as modifier, but you never want to use the word specifier. Are you getting? Compiler is always identifying modifier private not allowed here. Clear practical proof. So in Java, everything is treated as access modifiers only, but not access specifier. But the people who are coming from other languages, those people are using specifier and modifier. But pure Java people, you should be aware we require to use modifier, but not a specifier word. Any doubt? Clear, right? Thank you, sir.